All right, guys, here we are, South Louisiana, Venice to be specific. We are in some really skinny water. The tide's just topped out and starting to fall. We're gonna work our way back up some of these really small creeks that boats can't get to and the kayaks to chase some of these monster redfish in skinny water. I'm here with Captain Isaac Schmidt from Saltgrass Outdoors, and I'm very fortunate to have SFC retired, fellow veteran, U.S. Army, Jason Austin from Heroes on the Water here to share this experience. I'll tell you what, second cast, I caught a little 18, 19 inch redfish before the other guys even got out of the boat. I think we're in for some great action, so let's go get some of these skinny water redfish.
There he is, fish on. Not a bad fish. Pretty nice red here. So nobody that doesn't like catching redfish. Oh, that's a fat fish there. That is one fat redfish. Look at that belly there. You've been eating good now.
Did you say that's one Chad looking redfish?
Said fat.
Looks like Jason's got a nice little fish to the boat. Little, you know, we're staked out because of the wind, but if we weren't, we'd be going on some Louisiana sleigh rides right now. It's a good fish. Yeah. On the board with 2 fish and we've been here 5 minutes. Oh yeah. That's how you start the morning. South Louisiana redfish. Check out the spots on this dude on the other side. Let me get a grip. Whoa. Look at that. Is that pretty or what? Little 5-spot action to get us started. We got a double hookup. Jason's hooked up. Ike's hooked up behind us. We've been here less than a half hour, got our first double. Everybody's got fish. If we all 3 hook up, I can call them a menage, right? We got a kayak fishing menage going in South Louisiana. Come to New Orleans and you can find anything you want. And you come down here and catch anything you want. Woo! Come on, dude. Just in the bottom of the lip.
You know the sunlight won't last. Making my way to the country. I'm gonna catch a big old bass.